Hello. I'm going to record these short videos to give you a little bit of information about what's in each unit and sometimes some concepts that I think are very important. First, this concept is about the structure of Blue Moon. Blue Moon is our fictitious agency, and what I have done is taken the concepts that are critical in our textbook, which is MKTG 11, and set up work for fictitious clients. Now, these may be real businesses or not, but it's real work that uses the concepts in our book. That's what I did for about 25 years before I started teaching. I worked at an ad agency marketing firm here in Waco. And so I thought it'd be an interesting way to teach you marketing is to apply the concepts in real world-like situations. So I hope you enjoy the structure. Next, I'd like to talk a little bit about why marketing is important. After you finish your degree, and maybe even already, you have a job. And when you have a job, you work for a company, an institution, a government agency, a church, a school, whatever. And in those businesses, even if it's a nonprofit business, you have a customer or a client for whom you provide a product or a service that meets their needs. And in marketing, we learn about how to create products that meet the needs of customers, priced at a point that brings value. Value pricing is not about being cheap. To bring value means that you feel good about what you paid. Now, we'll talk about that in chapter 1. I'm getting ahead of myself. So marketing is about the product, about the pricing, offered in a way, the place, in a way or at a time which is convenient. And finally, the last thing we do in marketing is think about promotion. So we're going to learn about marketing, and we're going to apply marketing concepts here at the Blue Moon Agency. Now, in this training unit, you have 3 things to do. 2 are discussion in nature. The first, the creative meeting, is an introduction. Now, remember, the creative meeting requires 4 posts on at least 2 different days. Normally, the requirement is that you post by Wednesday, but because the class is starting on Wednesday, I will waive that this week. And so we're just getting to know each other. The second discussion is the chit chat, where I have posted a video. I'm asking you to view that video and give me feedback on how you could apply that concept in your life. And then finally, you have a job task. The job task is pretty simple. It is to read the training contract or the syllabus and let me know if you have any questions about it. And I've also asked you to give me contact information for you. So we've got a lot to do this week. The training unit, which involves no textbook material, and week 1, which is chapter 1 in the textbook. So all that is due by midnight on Sunday. So hope you jump right in. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.